Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Thank you guys so much for subscribing to my channel and turning on notifications as well. It's great to have you guys here. So today I'm going to be showing you how I make my homemade roasted groundnuts using Gari. Yes, you can absolutely make this at home and your groundnuts will turn out beautifully, and you can make all kinds of amazing stuff using your groundnuts. So don't forget to turn on notifications so you don't miss out on my videos. So you're going to need about 1.5 cups of Gari, which you're going to put into a deep pan. So I'm using my wok here. The heat should be about medium heat because you want your Gari to be hot, but at the same time you don't want your groundnuts to burn. This is my groundnuts which I bought in the market. Look in your area, it's so easy to find some, or you can buy it in the store, but just make sure it's fresh and not already roasted. So you're going to be adding this to the Gari. Once the Gari is very hot, you see it smoking slightly, and you know that that's hot. So we are adding groundnuts to it, and we have to stir it for a while. It's going to take roughly about 15 minutes to roast everything. What you want to do, of course, is to make sure that you are checking the browning of the groundnuts to make sure it's not burning, to get the actual color that you want to have. So patiently just be stirring through with a wooden spatula, or you can use the banku stick as well, so you don't scratch the saucepan that you're using, right? And you have to do this, as I said, like for about 15 minutes. So just patiently be stirring through. So you can just take one and check to see if it's brown, if you have the right color that you are looking for. So we are not looking for groundnut that's too brown. You're just looking for a very light brown, light caramel color. As you can see, the Gari is also changing color because it's also cooking. Yes, so it's a lot of stirring through, making sure the heat is well distributed throughout. So I check again and I keep stirring. It's very hot, so you have to be careful to pick out a few at a time and not too many in your palm, because trust me, it's really hot. I'm not exaggerating, like super hot. So there you have it. We are still stirring through, still checking, and we are almost there. This is almost close to the color that I'm looking for. The thing you shouldn't forget is that even when you take it off the fire, because there's still heat in there, it's still cooking. So you don't want it to be too browned whilst you're roasting it, or else you're gonna have a darker color. And when it's too dark, that's like almost burnt, and that's going to give you a bitter taste. So this is the right color that I'm looking for, and that's what you should also go for. Good job. And it's time to peel. Yay! So this is freshly made roasted groundnuts that we just made in the Gari and on our stove. So easy. You can also make this in the oven. And the peeling process takes a bit of time. You have to be also patient with the peeling, unless you can actually chew the groundnuts with the skin on, which is fine. Let me know, are you the type of person who would chew groundnuts with the skin on or skin off? Let me know in the comment section. Yeah, but I like it with the skin off, because I want to make nkati cake out of it, or groundnut paste. So I usually take the skin off. If I want to chew it just like that by itself, or have it with banana, I keep the skin on, because the skin is actually very nutritious. Trust me, it's really nutritious. So we're gonna be basically peeling our groundnuts. if you want to keep the skin on, or you want to make the peanut whole, not broken into pieces, you have to do this one at a time. So one method of husking your peanuts or peeling the skin off is to take a handful in your hand and gently rub it, blow off the peels, and put that into another container so that you can, control and see the amount of peanuts that you peeled. And here we have it, beautiful, really looks gorgeous, well roasted. It's a beautiful light caramel color. And you can chew this, enjoy it with your banana, blend it into your smoothies, make your homemade groundnut paste, and whatever you want, peanut butter, groundnut paste for your groundnut soups. And what else? You can also make your nkati cake or peanut brittle. Whatever you want to make with these groundnuts, the world is yours. Feel free and explore. I hope you guys have learned so much from this video, how to make your homemade groundnuts, roasted groundnuts. And don't forget to leave a comment in the section. Any questions you may have, just saying hi, please do leave that in the comment section. I'd love to hear from you. And don't forget to subscribe and turn on my notifications as well. And whatever you do, stay safe. Wash your hands under running water with soap and water, or use hand sanitizers if you have one. And let's kick Corona out of this world. Bye, guys.